The YESWELDER, the Hobart, or TOOLIOM? Perhaps the Forney Easy Weld or the Lincoln Electric? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 welder machines available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best welder machines. The 5th product on this list is the TOOLIOM 200A. This unit has a powerful output to ensure smooth and stable operation for high-quality welding. It features the dual voltage input design used in 110 and 220 volts outlets. This product comes equipped with 2 kinds of nozzles, one for solid wire and the other for flux core wire. You can easily change between them by pressing the pedal switch on your right. Also, the machine operates under synergic control, which means that settings are always consistent when you use different wires from solid to flux core. It is handy when working on different types of metal, such as stainless steel or aluminum. Moreover, it has a 100% duty cycle rating and 10 pounds of incredible welding force, enabling users to weld confidently in whatever applications they need. This product can easily switch between alternating and direct current modes without changing the torch position or having to change wires. Furthermore, we found that the large liquid crystal display allows the user to see current settings and work status quickly. This single-phase inverter welder is designed with professional standards and delivers high-quality output at high amperage. It will weld most metals with outstanding reliability and ease of use. The welds you create will be of top quality, just as if you were welding by hand. Its pros are, it utilizes software-controlled intelligent facilities, it makes things simpler for entry-level welders, and it has impressive multifunctional welding action. However, the drive roller tends to stutter a bit. The TOOLIOM 200A is excellent because it will weld most metals with great reliability and ease of use. This enables you to create a better quality weld and prevents brittleness caused by accidentally work hardening the metal. Up next in 4th place is the Lincoln Electric K2278-1. This welder is perfect for a wide range of general welding applications. This handy unit is a compact and portable metal inert gas welder that welds up to 1/8 inches of mild steel. Also, it plugs into any household 115 volts, 20 ampere outlet, provides a 35 to 88 amperes output, and weighs 7 pounds. The built-in cold contactor safety feature keeps metal inert gas wire electrically cold until the gun trigger is pressed, allowing the user to concentrate on their welds instead of worrying about wire burnouts or short circuits. In addition, we like this lightweight and easy-to-use welding accessory kit. It is designed for intermittent, spot, and seam welding home repairs, auto body work, and various light fabrication applications such as stationary machines. It also automatically provides the correct heat as you weld, with the wire feeder that keeps your hands free. As you move along the joint, it applies small amounts of heat to keep your work clean, neat, and visible until it is finished. Welding can be done with or without gas using the same machine. You can also switch from welding aluminum to steel without changing settings by turning on the gas valve and then switching back to the open circuit. Lastly, it has a rugged die-cast aluminum case for long life and durability. Its pros are, it provides an easy setting system that lets users quickly set up, it has factory-connected leads and is fantastic for sheet metal, and it welds up to 1/8 inch thick steel. However, the duty cycle is only 20% at 70 amps. The Lincoln Electric K2278-1 is a very practical portable welding machine that plugs into a standard household outlet, making it ideal for DIY automotive projects. Still haven't found a welder machine that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. This next unit is a multi-process welder for hobbyists and utility use. It has 7 pre-programmed settings that allow you to weld everything from stainless steel to aluminum and more with minimal setup time. It also features an adjustable voltage range that allows you to control your arc performance and weld quality. Also, selecting the right amperage gives you even more control. This welder performs stick, metal inert gas, flux cord arcs, and tungsten inert gas welding processes, giving you the freedom to choose just what you want for any material and application. Moreover, it has a rugged design that ensures years of operation regardless of the conditions it encounters. The automatic voltage recognition makes setting the power output with just a button push easy. And it has lighted indicator lights that make your user experience even better. Furthermore, we like the single-phase power source, variable voltage from 80 to 130 volts, variable arc force from 1 to 3 amperes, and variable wire feed settings from 0 to 11 inches per minute. This product has the power to weld in just about any environment, and its compact size makes it easy to transport from job to job. Lastly, the controls allow you to set the welding parameters easily, while the sturdy design is perfect for use in a shop or job site. Its pros are, its wire loads easily and quickly, allowing you to dial in perfect welds. It has infinite adjustability feed speed settings with absolute precision, and it has a compact and sturdy build, making it a very reliable unit. However, it is worth noting that although it is compatible, the TIG torch isn't included with this product. The Forney YESWELDER 140 MP offers a lot of versatility, which makes it a great addition to any garage, shop, or home workshop. The second product on this list is the YESWELDER MIG 250 Pro. This powerful and precise welder makes your welding job easier. This unique machine can weld steel up to 1/8 inch of aluminum or mild steel without additional equipment. It has a setting that can be adjusted via the front-mounted digital display panel, allowing you to change between both modes of operation quickly and easily. Also, this product offers perfect connectivity for a wide range of accessories, including low-profile gun tips, spool guns, and torch holders. Additionally, this gasless flux core welder can be used with both flux cord and gas-shielded electrodes. It even has a 3-function foot pedal for easy tungsten inert gas welding, stick, or manual metal arc use. You will also like that the powerful 250 ampere generator that delivers an impressive weld output of 45,000 watts in metal inert gas mode. At the same time, the consistent duty cycle of 2.0% reduces the chance of encountering hot spots in the weld puddle. Furthermore, we found that it includes an auto voltage selection for reliable current control at 120 volts or 230 volts, complete with a 4:1 manual wire feed speed ratio switch on the front panel, so you can adjust wire speed based on application requirements. Lastly, the compact size means it is easy to move when you need to weld on a different site and can be stored on the workbench when not in use. Its pros are, its synergic settings are excellent and there is a manual available if needed. It has the ability to tweak the synergic settings, and it has a cold wire feed button for easy, safe wire changes. However, the cooling fan is very annoyingly loud. The YESWELDER MIG 250 Pro is a practical and well-made device with a lot of flexibility that makes it perfect for home projects. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top welder machine is the Hobart 500-559. This is a compact, lightweight metal inert gas welder that offers flexibility, convenience, and productivity. It can easily handle a wide range of material thicknesses and up to 1/4 inch. This welder has a 5-position voltage control selector, which allows you to control your welding process at whatever setting makes sense easily. Also, it has a flow regulator, gas regulator that allows you to adjust the rate of gases going into your weld pool and prevent contaminants from entering the unit and causing damage. This product also has an optional wire feeder that's very handy, but it doesn't come with one included, so you may have to purchase it separately. Additional features do include built-in thermal overload protection and an industrial duty motor for long life. Moreover, this can weld 24-gauge steel, including shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, tungsten inert gas, and semi-automatic stainless steel. It also features an alternating and direct current switch, allowing you to weld aluminum, stainless steel, and more. What's more, it comes equipped with a natural start function and a direct current light, making it easy to work even in dark situations. The machine has 115 volts power supply, and its welding amperage range is 11 to 135 amperes. Furthermore, we like that it automatically alerts you if it senses insufficient gas flow, low voltage, and arc damage. Finally, this device makes setting up your work area easier by automatically calculating the proper distance between the torch tip and the work surface. So, if you're looking for an effective and comprehensive device from home or work use, this unit is an outstanding option. Its pros are: it provides excellent performance with a stable and smooth arc on every thickness. It has industrial quality cast aluminum wire driving systems boasting a lasting wire feeding performance. Its dual processing capacity makes it possible to work on a wide variety of thicknesses and materials, and it offers easy and quick equipment setup time, which means you can get to welding sooner. However, the bottom of the unit isn't totally flat, so it can wobble a bit on hard surfaces. The Hobart 500-559 is a brilliant device with a compact design for convenience and portability, plus a heavy-duty all-metal frame for durability that will provide years of dependable service. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.